Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 14th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Friday out there so far. Everybody has a great Friday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather. Cut the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the lower 48 and the tropics. We're doing it a little different again. We're going back the same way we started. So we're going to take a look at the tropics, and as you can see, pretty much it's pretty well shut down across most of the tropical Atlantic. Even the Eastern Pacific looks pretty quieting down as well in the tropics. Just a little scattered activity over in the Caribbean, South America, Eastern Pacific, Central America as well. Got a little upper level low spinning up here around St. John's Island. That will continue to pull away. It's got a few little frontal boundaries stretching out in the tropical Atlantic and nothing to write home about. Here's our main weather events coming up across the lower 48. You can see some activity across South Canada through Minnesota, back to the Dakotas, back to Wyoming, also into Montana, through the portion of Washington, Oregon State, Idaho. Also got some atmospheric moisture starting to feed into California, Nevada, and also Utah. This will continue to funnel moisture up into this region and bring some flash flooding and heavy rain to you guys over in the California and Nevada regions as well. A lot of mudslides and also some heavy snow also expected in the mountains as well. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. And we're going to start off with your Saturday forecast, and it's going to look something like this. You can see we got mixed precipitation, freezing rain over a portion of New Brunswick, the Maine, northern Vermont, New Hampshire, and northern New York State. More mixed precipitation in portion of western New York State down into Pennsylvania. Also more activity over here in portion of Colorado, the Utah, California mountains, Oregon, Washington State, Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming areas as well. Alright, we got some shower activity up here around Massachusetts, to Rhode Island, to Delaware, D.C., western North Carolina, Tennessee, up to Michigan, Wisconsin. Also more mixed precipitation up here around Lake Huron, Lake Superior, northern Michigan region as well. More shower activity stretching from over here in Minnesota to the Dakotas, to Montana, to Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico, Utah, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, and also California, Nevada, and Utah areas as well. Here's that heavy rain and flash flooding over central and southern California, southern Nevada, and also western and northwestern areas of Arizona. Flash flooding and heavy rain there expected. Thunderstorms and showers also expected also into areas of Arizona, southern California regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Saturday, and there's that heavy snow also in the mountain chain of California. Alright, let's move on to the Sunday outlook for you. Take a look at it real quick, and then we're going to take a look at the current watch and warning advisory map after this. So, alright, your Sunday forecast should be stacking up something like this here across the board. More mixed precipitation in Maine, to Vermont, to New Hampshire, to Rhode Island, to Pennsylvania, portion of northeast Ohio. Shower activity from New Hampshire to Rhode Island to Pennsylvania to D.C., Delaware, Virginia, western North Carolina, North Georgia, eastern Tennessee, and eastern Kentucky. Alright, we got some shower activity out west from north and South Dakota to Nebraska, Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico, back over toward Nevada, California, Washington, Oregon State, and Idaho region as well. Thunderstorms and showers for central and southern California, portion of Nevada, much of Arizona region as well. Even got mixed precipitation in Colorado, Utah, to the California mountain chain there as well. Even got a little bit of snow there also. Mixed precipitation also in Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana, and portion of Wyoming areas also. Otherwise, expect your high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Sunday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map. You're locating across the nation, and pretty much not too much happening across the board. We got flash flood watches over here in Southern California. Got some winter weather advisories in the areas of Utah. Got some severe thunderstorm warnings up here in portions of southeast Wyoming. We got winter storm watches up here in northern Maine. Winter weather advisories in New Hampshire, Vermont, northern New York State, and dense fog advisories along the Gulf Coast, across Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, and portions of the Florida Panhandle regions as well. We do have extreme fire danger in a couple counties of South Dakota regions also. Small craft advisory gale warning from Maine all the way down to the South Carolina coast, southern portion of California up to Washington, Oregon State, around the Hawaiian Chain Island with high surf warnings there as well. Winter weather, freezing spray warnings to the west and northern areas of Alaska, southwestern and southern areas. Expect some small craft advisories and gale warnings also. Alright, let's take a look at the severe weather outlook. And we do have some severe weather to talk about. A marginal risk once again. Pittsburgh up here in portion of Ohio area as well. General thunderstorm from Watertown to Charleston, West Virginia over toward New York City. Then again over here around Los Angeles and Santa Barbara, Las Vegas and San Diego areas as well. Tornado probability looks like this. Less than 2% all areas. Damaging winds 5%. And large hail less than 5% all areas. Alright. Take a look at the drought monitor across the lower 48. You can see pretty much most of the nation's in a drought. A moderate dry areas, moderate, severe, extreme, across much of the area from Maine to Florida to Texas to Louisiana, Arizona, California, over toward Montana, Washington, Idaho region as well, and any portion of Oregon. A few areas, not any precipitation right now. The normal rainfall, but if a lot of areas do not see precipitation, some more areas will become more dry, and maybe the whole United States could possibly become possibly part of a drought situation across the entire lower 48. You can see the Hawaiian Chain Island got some, also has some areas of dry conditions to the north, with some severe weather, severe drought, and also some moderate drought, and across the southern areas of Hawaiian Chain Island as well. Alaska looks pretty good right now with no drought situation in your area. Alright, and this was updated yesterday on November the 13th, and they'll get another update coming up on, let's see, the 20th of November. So alrighty, that'll be your next update. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Friday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.